Do you ever wonder why money seems to slip through your fingers? You work hard. You try to save. But your bank account never really grows. Today, I'll reveal 7 money habits that are quietly keeping you poor. And the last one is the most dangerous of all. Habit number 1. Impulse spending. Every little treat yourself purchase adds up. Coffee here. Online shopping there. It feels harmless in the moment. But over a year, those small expenses could equal thousands of dollars lost. Habit number 2. Not having a budget. If you don't tell your money where to go, it disappears without you knowing where it went. A budget is not about restriction. It's about control. Habit number 3. Relying on credit cards. Credit cards can help build credit. But carrying a balance means you're paying insane interest. Sometimes over 20% every single year. That's money you'll never get back. Habit number 4. Not investing. Saving money is good, but inflation eats away at your savings. Investing is how wealth actually grows. Even small amounts, invested early, can turn into life-changing sums. Habit number 5. Lifestyle inflation. Every time you earn more, you spend more. New job? New car? Raise at work? Bigger apartment. This trap keeps you on the hamster wheel. Forever running, but never really getting ahead. Habit number 6. Not building an emergency fund. One unexpected bill. One medical expense. One car repair. And suddenly you're in debt. An emergency fund is your financial shield. Habit number 7. Not learning about money. If you don't study how money works, banks, lenders, and marketers will always stay one step ahead of you. Knowledge is the one investment that pays the highest return. So, which of these money habits are holding you back? Break them now, and your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and share this with someone who needs it today.